Hi, so without further ado, the topic we are going to discuss today is classification of local anesthetics. We are making it easy for you with mnemonics, and the clues are all related to food. So let's start. Before getting into the yummy clues, those who are watching our channel for the first time, please do subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Let's start with the classification. So LA is classified into injectable and surface anesthetics, of which first I'm going to discuss about the injectable part or the mnemonic for the injectable part. Then we'll go into surface anesthetics. So let's start. Puppies. Okay, this is the mnemonic is starting here. Puppies clean large plates, then eats baked desserts. So let's go again from the beginning. That is, puppies clean large plates, then eats baked desserts. So let's see what it stands for. So starting with short acting injectable drugs, and that is puppies procaine, clean chloroprocaine, intermediate acting. Okay, large lignocaine, plates prilocaine. After that, what they did, long acting, that is then tetracaine, eats etidocaine, and baked bupivacaine desserts tubucaine. So that is it. Coming to second part, that is our surface anesthetics, baked layer choco truffle. That is the dessert which they ate. Baked layer cocoa truffle. Okay, let's see. Baked for benzocaine, layered for lignocaine, cocoa for cocaine, and truffle for tetracaine. So that was it, guys. This is a yummy mnemonic, and we have already done about the classification of anti-tubercular drugs previously. The link will be available in the description box below. So if you found this very useful, please do subscribe to our channel, and for more mnemonics and clues, etc., you can come into our Insta page where you can DM us. Thank you.